Good afternoon, everybody. This is the Balloon Bandit of Amusement with a Twist, and today I just wanted to take a few minutes to go over one of the designs that somebody had requested. It was Walden from wubbzy. In order to make the Walden, you're just going to have to use a regular balloon body, whatever your choice is. I actually have a balloon body that I use for all my other ones. And then you would have to make his head. His head is made out of a heart. This is a 6-inch heart, so you'll probably need to get 9-inch hearts in order to do it. And basically, you just need to make his pieces off the top of his head and then draw on him. Okay, so in order to do the two pieces on the top of the head, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to fold your heart over, and then you're going to hold the top of the heart, and you're going to blow it up, and then like push on it, and then let it down. Take your heart, fold it over the other way, okay, and then when you let it go, you'll see that it has two little nipples, and the bigger the heart, the more exposed those nipples will be. So that's why I'm saying you're probably going to need probably a 9-inch heart in order to do this, because this one's just a little bigger than the last one, but not quite big enough to do a full-size Walden on one of my balloon bodies. So like I said, the more you let it down, the more pronounced his ears are. Now it's smaller. Okay, so that's the only thing you need to know about the Walden, and the only reason you do it on both sides, because see where it is at the second, it's on the back side. So his neck needs to be centered, so you have to basically hold it while you try and position it to center so you don't fill them in. Okay, now it's somewhat cocked to the side here, so let's grab his. Okay, there. Okay, so basically you just play with it until you get to the point where you're in the center and you have your ears. Okay, but that's the Walden. Not much to it. Like I said, the rest of it is just a simple balloon body, and I'll link to that video in the description. Okay, have a great one and enjoy. This has been Balloon Bandit of Amusement with a Twist. If you like these videos, like, subscribe, share them, comment below. Have a great day.